Good evening everyone. Let's see how to use Power BI to the dataset. Firstly, let's open a blank report and load the datasets that are in the text form. Open the folder, find the datasets that are loaded into the folder and click OK. As there are 3 different files, let's combine them into one file. So click Combine. And since these are text files, let's click Combine and Transform Data and wait for the Power Query to open. So this is how Power Query looks, and let's firstly remove the unwanted columns. And now here student name and age is combined. So let's split the column using non-digit to digit option. Let's right click and capitalize each word in the student name. Now let's rename all the columns. Firstly, it's the student name. Next, it's age. Next, the column is contact number. Next, we have the email. Next, we have the course name. The next one is date of join. And finally, here is the fees, but here we have rupees symbol. So let's use delimiter and split the columns. Delimiter is like a space. It splits the column which has space. So and then remove the column, and let's finally rename the column as fees. And click close and apply, that is onto the left, top left. So let's wait until the Power BI loads all the data sets into the dashboard. We have all the data sets which are renamed onto the right side of the menu. Now let's load the existing student personal details and click a table name in the navigator and load the following. Once all these data sets are loaded, check that all the data sets are properly loaded and rename the following. Now that was renaming. Now let's go to actual dashboard creation. Now let's go to the first question, that's clustered column chart. So in the visualization menu, click clustered column chart and drag the date of join. So click the arrow downs and click quarter and drag the field into the x-axis and drag the course name into the y-axis. Hence, therefore, we have the clustered column chart onto the left, onto the main report view. Next, we have the donut chart where we have age and course. Let's drag the age into the legend and let's drag the course name into the values. Now here we have age names, age groups into various numbers. So let's group them. So right click onto the arrow down and click group and group all the ages together so that we have 4 different columns for the ages. As you can see, now the ages are grouped, and once you click OK, we have just 4 different columns that are there. So this can be easily grouped on the basis of age. Now that's done. Now let's go to the third one. It's the clustered bar chart. Clustered bar chart, and let's see the course and the fee on the x and y axis. Let's click course to the y axis and fees to the x axis. There you go. We have the clustered bar chart. Next, we have the card. Card is just to simply tell what we have for each selected values. Now here the sum of fees is selected. Let's go and change the values into thousands and then go to general and give a title to it as total fees. And then go to visual and turn off the category label. This turns off the label that is there. and place it around wherever it's required. Let's go to the next. We are creating another card for total number of students. Now click another card and drag the student names onto the fields and then click the arrow down and click count. This gives the total number of students. Now again do the same. Go to category label and turn it off and give it a title. Give it a title here as total number of students. Now let's go to the next question. We are creating a gauge for the total number of certificates issued. Now click gauge and go to student personal details table and drag the issued certificates. Now here we can go to general and give it a title as issued certificates. Click enter. Now this is creating the gauge visualization. Next we have 3 slicers. Now what is a slicer? A slicer is used for selecting a particular from the group of options. So here we have 3 slicers, one for year. Now let's go to year and drag the field year and then go to visual slicer settings and click drop down. So this creates a drop down. Now let's drag the next slicer, that is city. In the same way, click drop down as an option and now place it around wherever required. Next we have another slicer for course name. Drag the course name field into the fields visualization tab and then go to category slicer settings and then give the option as drop down and place it as you wish. So this is the dashboard that we finally acquire. As you can see, this is like a white canvas background. Now let's go to canvas background in the format page and give it a color so it looks colorful. Give it a color as you wish and place all the visualizations as you wish. So this is the final dashboard that was very interactive. As you can see, if I select one, the whole dashboard is interactive, so it shows the other thing. Now let's make it more creative. Let's go to view tab and see there are different themes that can apply. So this is the final theme that we can apply. You can also check out other themes where each and every visual changes accordingly. From the given themes, let's choose a theme and let's give it a final look. So this is the dashboard that we require. Thank you.